The launch of GPT-5 and OpenAI's Agent Builder is without question the biggest story in artificial intelligence right now. On Dev Day 2025, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman unveiled Agent Kit, a toolkit bringing agent creation into a drag-and-drop no-code era. With GPT-5 at the core, the Agent Builder lets anyone visually design, test, and deploy complex AI agents that used to require teams of engineers and months of work. Now it's an afternoon's task, with UI patterns familiar to Canva users, but packing the power of one of the world's most advanced reasoning models. Agent Builder works like a canvas. Drag nodes, connect workflows, add prompts, run automations, and monitor performance in real time. For enterprise users, there's version control, audit logs, and deep integrations. Developers can wire up custom tools, train agents for specific decision logic, and grade their outputs step by step. No more prompt engineering guessing games. Businesses that tried early betas reported launching agents in 2 sprints instead of 2 quarters, saving up to 75% on typical development cycles. One standout feature: reinforcement fine-tuning, RFT, for GPT-5. This lets advanced users teach agents to call the right tools at the right moment and judge their reasoning against custom criteria, a leap forward compared to earlier rigid prompt tuning. OpenAI calls it custom graders, meaning you decide what makes agent outputs great based on your business goals. Another key shift is the integration with OpenAI's global admin console and connector registry. Big orgs can manage single sign-on, API orgs, domain settings, and tools all in one place, bringing true enterprise security and scale to agent development. Pricing follows the standard API model, so adoption is frictionless for current customers. But what about the problems? As OpenAI admits, making an agent that works once is easy. Robust production agents are a challenge. The Agent Builder provides hands-on build guidance, content moderation, and injection protections, but businesses still face a learning curve. Still, OpenAI is rolling out tutorials, showcase templates, and a dedicated support portal to bridge the gap. For context, competitors like Google, Agent Development Kit, and Microsoft, AutoGen, released frameworks this year as well. But OpenAI's massive user base and developer ecosystem give Agent Builder a reach no rival can match. In one demonstration, an agent learned to review a dev day schedule and recommend panels in under 8 minutes. Broadcast live to 800 million ChatGPT users. What sets GPT-5 apart? Above all, it's the reasoning engine powering these agents. In complex testing, GPT-5 delivered remarkable results, handling multi-step decision processes, debugging code, and even generating nuanced front-end designs. Enterprise clients like Ramp and Klarna could build procurement and support agents in hours, not months, reporting up to 70% reduction in iteration cycles and a notable increase in agent accuracy. For developers, the new Agent Kit ecosystem is a game-changer. It includes not only Agent Builder, the visual canvas, but also Connector Registry for data tool management and ChatKit for embedding chat-based agent experiences anywhere. The emphasis on visual logic means non-coders aren't left behind. Anyone can quickly experiment with workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and refine them with built-in evals and analytics. The Workflows API, coming soon, will allow for agent deployment inside ChatGPT, letting users run custom automations while chatting. Security and reliability are at the forefront. OpenAI engineered Agent Kit with advanced safeguards, prompt injection protection, role-based access, and deep content moderation. Agents can now be benchmarked against datasets and third-party models with traceable grading. What used to be reserved for internal research is now mainstream for enterprise teams everywhere. The vision is clear. OpenAI wants to empower anyone, student, solo founder, or Fortune 500 dev, to build and deploy agents at scale. Pricing remains in line with core API services, lowering barriers to entry for all users. As ramp-up continues, look for real-world agents automating sales, customer support, marketing, and research across industries. Bottom line: the combo of GPT-5's reasoning depth, a powerful visual agent builder, and OpenAI's ecosystem means we're about to witness an era in which intelligent agents transform business operations and everyday life. Developers, creatives, and entrepreneurs. The tools you need are ready. The revolution starts now.